Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Today I'm going to go from train again. Now I have reached the Greenway station, so I'll be on the train. I'm so excited to make new friends. I'm gonna meet my new friends here from the train. Let's see. Actually, see, it's not much crowded. This is the Greenway rail station. We're waiting from here. I'll get you. One train just passed by and it will take a little bit more time. Today it's raining. Oh, but it's humidity. It feels so warm. I hope you guys are doing good. It's been after for some few days we have come to meet again. I can't even see here, it's so watery. It's been a long time I've been waiting to take the train. Like around 30 minutes or something. It's coming on the way. And you're one of my friends here. My friend Akka. Hello Akka.
அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியும்
We don't know the language na. Communication problem. Only English.
அதெல்லாம் பண்ண மாட்டேன்.
Train is coming. Yeah, it's. I'm going to travel the train. Oh my God. I have a headache. So much. Lots of people is there. Yeah, that's it. Got a new friends. I love children. Hello. Hi. I love making a new friends. Hi, hello. Hello. See. They're so cute. Yeah. Where you're going? Beach.
Beach.
Oh, it's raining. Today it's raining. Yeah. Can I sit here? What's your name? Huh? Your name?
Nitishkumar.
Nitishkumar. Wow. Good boy. I just enjoy with these people. Sing one song for me. Song. Singing. Huh? You don't know? What you will do in the beach? What you will do in the beach? Playing? Playing in the water? Oh, cricket. Okay. You love cricket? Okay. You know any Hindi song? No Hindi song. Only Tamil. Okay. Okay. We're just enjoying from this our journey. You want to sing? Okay, sing loud, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Sing song. From Manipur last year. Manipur to Chennai flight. Yeah, flight. Manipur no train. Only flight. Oh, we reach another station like us. Okay, I will sing for you another song again. You want to hear my song? Okay. Kill my I just enjoy traveling with them. For this station. When I go to another station, I will continue again. I need to go now to another port. From this train. I'm going from this train. Sorry, my greener on my speaker have some battery backup problem is there today. It's my fault that I didn't charge. They're going now. I have to get here from another train. So many people is here. Annana Beach. go up to I need to go down. Okay, we'll get you again. I got my train. See you.